So hello and welcome everyone. My name is Shahnawaz and today we will discuss about the Boolean operations. So as you can see, I have already opened Catia. Now I will start and create a part and then will show you that how Boolean operations work. Okay, so first of all, let me create a part, a very simple part. So in this case, I'm just drawing a normal, you can say a cuboid. So I will start here from the origin and stretch it like this, and now you can see I will convert this into a 3D. So I will use the pad command over here. Just select this, the dimensions and all, everything you can give of your own because that is quite simple, as we can see. So now what I have is a simple, you can say a cuboid, a simple plate. Now what is the next thing which I would like to do is I will basically insert two bodies. Okay, so because this Boolean operations will not work in the same body, so for this we have to insert new bodies to the scenario. So I will basically go and insert a body over here. This is my body 2. Again I will go and insert one more body. This will be my body 3. So right now I am having a part and again two bodies in that part. So now what will be the next step? Now because I am not working in part body as of now, I will now work in the body 2. So I will right click this body and choose define in work object. So now I will work in this body 2. I'm going to the sketch and sketching something. I will again sketch a free form structure like this, and again convert this into a feature. So here I'm choosing pad again. So you can see I'm going to pad and I'm choosing this. Now you can see it is converting into a 3D. So I will stretch from both the ends manually like this, and I will just make it okay. So as you can see friends, now we are having body 2 which is like this. Just to make it different from this base, I will just change the color of this body by going to properties and choosing a random color. For example, let us choose it as this pink color. Okay, now I will work in body 3. So I will go and just define this body in work object. Again I will go to this sketch and create one more block like this so that it is easily understandable by you people. So you can see again I have just finished drawing the sketch, and will convert this again into a part body. So I will just stretch it manually like this. So because I was using pad, so you can see it was positive. Here also it is like positive. So in this condition what will happen, if I choose pad, it will show the positive sign. But because we have to use this assemble command and we have to explain this assemble command, so what I will do, I will choose pocket instead of pad. So let us move back one step and choose the pocket command. So as soon as I will choose pocket, what will happen, instead of plus I will get the minus sign. Okay, so this is the basic difference, you can say, when you are creating a simple part and when you are inserting the body. So in body what happens is the feature is identified with the help of this positive and this negative sign. So you can see this is pocket, but here it is showing negative sign because this property is to remove the material. This feature or property is to add the material. That's why it is showing positive sign over here. I will also change the color of this body by going to properties and just changing the color over here. I will change it to green, say. Now what happens is these two bodies are created. This is body 2, this is positive because it is pad, and this is body 3 which is negative because it is pocket. Now I will just go to the Boolean operations and see that what happens here. You can see these bodies are basically not connected with each other. You can see the lines, the edge of the lines, they are not shown here. That's why these bodies are basically not connected. They are just going from one body to another body. Okay, because we have just made like that. Now I will go to the assemble mode. I will just click assemble. So in case of assemble, what happens is whatever is the sign, it will behave according to that. Okay, if the sign is positive, the body will be added to the main body. If the sign is negative, the body will be removed. Okay, only in the case of assemble, not in any other case. So in this assemble, I can just directly go here and choose, or I can go and choose from the design tree. So in assemble, what I'm doing, I'm assembling this body to the main part body, and you can see as soon as I'm clicking OK, the body will be assembled with the main body, or assembled with the body which I have chosen. In this case, because it was positive, so it has been added to the part body. The body 2 will be added like this. Now again I'm going to this assemble, and now what I will do, I will just select this body 3, and I will select the part, normal simple part. Now you can see it has been removed. Why it is removed? Because it was a negative body, or you can say it was basically a negative feature. So in the case of assemble, very simple. If the body is positive, it will be added. If the body is negative, it will be removed. Okay, this is the first case of the Boolean operations. Now I am just again going few steps back, and I will show you what will be the case with the add feature. So I will expand this. I will keep it over here. So this is basically the difference between assemble and add. In assemble case, I have shown you what happens. Now in the case of addition, in the case of add, what will happen? Whether the body is positive or it is negative, it will always add. And in the same case, in the remove also, whether the body is positive or the negative, it will remove only. Okay, so I will go to add option. I will choose my body 2 and add to this body, so it will be added like this. Again, if I'm going to add, even if I am choosing the negative body, but then also it will add to this main body, because we are choosing the add command and we are not choosing the assemble command. Okay, so this is the you can say the function of add command. Again, I'm going one step back, two step back, and now I'll show you the use of remove command. So in the remove command also, whether it is positive or negative, if the command is remove, it will always remove the material. So I'll show you once again. I'll go here, removing body 2 from this main body, it will remove, you can see. And in the same case, if I'm removing body 3 with the body 2, or removing the body 3 with the main body, so what will happen? It will remove it again. So I think it is very simple and easy understandable by you people, that you are able to understand that what is the difference between assemble, what is the difference between add, what is the difference between remove. Now the next option is intersect. So intersect option is quite simple. In this case, what I will do, I'll just simply shift this body up till here, so that it is you can say quite simple by you people to understand. Or I'll create something over here. So I will go and insert a new body again. This is the body 4. Now I'll just make this as a define and work object. I'll sketch something over here. So in this case, what I will do, I'll just create a very small, you can say something like this, because these two things will be intersecting with each other. Now I will you can say convert this into a 3D. So I'm choosing pad only, not an issue in that. Anything you can choose, a pad or a pocket. It will also act like same, whether it is positive or negative, it will always intersect. So just to make it different from the main, I will just go and change the color as I've changed for the other two bodies. So I'm just going here and choosing for example blue color, let us say. So this is blue color now, and now I'm going for the intersect command, and let us see what happens here. Going to intersect, selecting the body 4, selecting the main body. Now you can see the intersection of the main body with this body has taken place. So intersection means the common body which is between the two bodies. So the common portion or the common part between this cylinder and that cuboid. So this is the main resultant body which we have got. These two are the other bodies. These are not connected with these bodies, or they were not connected with any other option. So that's why they are here only. Okay. So now let us remove this everything and let us go and check out for the union trim option, that what union trim option means. So for union trim, I'll just go and close everything and create a new, you can say, file, or open a new file, open a part design again. So in this case, what I will do, I'll first of all sketch something. So guys, I'm ready here with the sketch. I'm just simply free forming the sketch again. Not very much special again. So let us exit this, give some 3D material to the body. Okay, like this, and put it okay. Now I will choose a command which every one of you know. This is the shell command. So in this shell command, what happens is we choose a face, and that face is removed by adding a thickness to the whole body. For example, I've chosen 2 mm thickness. So 2 mm thickness, and the whole body will be shelled, and the top face or the face which I've selected will be removed. Now I'm going and inserting a new body again. So in this case, this body 2, choosing this body 2, defining in the work object, going to sketch again on the same plane, or whatever is your requirement, you can choose like that. There is not a big issue in that. So now I'm going and selecting and creating a circle like this. I will just give the material or the 3D to this circle also, so that it becomes a cylinder like this. Okay, again I will shell this circle. So while shelling this circle, again I'll select the top face and 2 mm thickness. So you can see it is like this. So what will happen here is you can just change the, you can say, color of this body, just so that it is easily identified. Let us keep this as red. Okay, so there are two bodies. This is one body, this is body 2. Now we are going and choosing the union trim. So in this union trim, what will happen, there will be the union of these two bodies into a single body, and trim option will trim the faces which we don't want to be included in the main body. This is very simple. I will just simply go and click the union trim. It will ask us which body is to be union trim. I will choose the body 2. I will choose with this body, and it is already chosen with the part body, which is the main body. Now faces to remove and faces to keep. So if I want that, I don't want this face, so I'll go to faces to remove. I can multiple select also. So I don't want this face, I've selected this. I don't want this face, I've again selected this. These two faces I don't want. Preview it, and you can see these two faces are removed, and this is a common union body which is being created. So this is also a very, you can say, a good command, or a very, you can say, important command. So you can say this trim, this body 2 will be here. Again, if I am double clicking this, and faces to remove, if I am going and selecting this face also, so this face also will be removed. As you can see, when I'm previewing it, it will be like this. So there are various options in which we can do these things. So now next will be the option which will be known as removing the lump. So removing lump means something which is not usable, just removing that thing. So in this case, what I will do, I'll just again go and open a part and create something for you guys, so that you can understand it more clearly. So removing lump option also is quite simple. There is nothing rocket science in that. Just selecting this, creating a normal simple cylinder sort of object, just to make you people understand. So something like this. Okay, now adding a pad to this sketch, so it will be choosing the mirror extent and doing like this. Now it is 3D. We can change the color also, or we can change the color for the other one, not an issue in that. Okay, so again we are inserting a new body. Now new body is been here. Select this body, define in work object, go to the sketch, select this plane again, and sketch something like this, because this is for you to understand. So I'm creating something very simple so that you people understand it more clearly. Okay, so we are having a sketch like this. Now what will happen, I will just go and pad this sketch again. So I'm just choosing pad option, just stretch this upwards like this, and in the same case stretch it downwards also. It's quite confusing over here, so I'll choose this option. Okay, so this is like this. Now what I will do, I will just simply use you can say remove option. Okay, so if I'm choosing this remove option, what will happen, let us change the color of the body first of all. For easy visualization, let us choose this brown sort of color. Okay, now you can see the body is being inserted like this. Now what I will do, I will just simply choose the remove option, and then we will use this remove lump, or directly also we can use the remove lump. So first of all, I'll go and choose the remove lump and show you that how it is working. See, if I'm going to remove lump, I'm choosing this body 2, and I'm choosing this body 3, and if I'm just previewing it and okay, so nothing will happen. Okay, so for this case what I will do, I will just simply go and delete this, and I'll show you with the more appropriate example. So first of all, I'll go and remove this option, or yeah, like this, removing. So removing this body 2 with the main part body. Okay, now the body is being removed. Now you can see this is the main body which is there, and this is something which is lump sort of thing, and we don't want this thing in the main body because it is not connected with the main body, so it is acting like a lump. So when you are going to this remove lump, just select your lump like this. Okay, so faces to remove, it will ask you for the faces to remove and also the faces to keep. So I'm choosing my lump, this is my lump, I don't want this. Preview it and it will simply get removed from your main body. So this is actually the removing of the lump which is done here. So guys, I think now it is very easily and clear that what all commands we have covered over here. First of all, we have covered the assemble command. I'll just repeat very shortly that in assemble, whether the body is positive or the body is negative, it will act according to the sign. Okay, if the body is positive, it will add the material. If the body is negative, it will remove the material. In the case of add, remove and intersect, whether the body is positive or the body is negative, it will always work according to the commands. Okay, if it is positive, again it will add the material. If it is negative, again it will add the material, because we are choosing the add command. Same will happen in all the three cases. Then we are going with the union trim. You have seen in union trim there will be union of two bodies and trimming of the faces which you don't want. And in this case, remove lump, you have already seen that if it is a lump created over here and you don't want this, it will be removed. So guys, this was basically about Boolean operations. I am signing off now. Please do like this video, share this video to the ones who need this, and please go and subscribe to my channel. And if you are having any other doubts or any other unique clarifications in any of the topics in Catia, SolidWorks, or any other 3D modeling softwares, you can directly comment in the section below. Thank you guys very much for being with me.